I just wanted to talk to you guys really quick. I posted earlier that I'll be doing an unboxing. Now, this may be old news for you all, but it still feels like new news to me. So for some of you all who don't know, which many of you guys do because you responded, I did a replica of Oprah Winfrey, and she replied to my comment, to my picture. She gave me such the nicest compliment. And that was such a big deal, and I'm still feeling really good about it. So anyway, time went on and I got busy or whatever, and my husband said, "Are you going to ever get it framed? Don't forget." And I said, "Yeah, you're right." So I went to a trophy place, and I had them, instead of getting it framed and everything, I did a plaque of it. So I picked it up today. I got it in the box. I haven't looked at it yet, but I want to unbox it with you all, or take the sleeve off with you all. So anyway, I am going to look at this with you. Oh my goodness, it looks good. Can you guys see that? So I got the picture of Oprah, and then the replica I did of me. And it says here, Oprah responded to my replica of her 2020. And also I got the tweet that she pinned, and the quote that she says that she goes, "Wow, you look amazing. I am honored by your replication." And I also got the little Twitter sign, you guys. So this was something that my kids will have. This will always be a memory because it won't be out of sight and out of mind. Now, where am I going to put this? I don't know. I should have gotten two now that I'm thinking about it, because I can have one at the office and one in the salon. But I just wanted to share this with you. I'm still excited about this. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? All right, I'm going to get back to work, but I just wanted to stop and unbox my plaque with you all. All right, you guys, hope you have a good day.